Geometry isn't just about drawing lines, it's about uncovering the hidden rules that govern a shape's identity. Think of it like a biologist classifying an animal. Mathematicians classify shapes by their properties, their sides, their angles, and their symmetry. These rules are why bridges stand firm and digital art looks perfect. Let's start with the quadrilateral family, any four-sided shape. You have the familiar square and rectangle, but also the rhombus, which is like a tilted square, and the kite. Despite their differences, they all share one unbreakable law. Their four interior angles always add up to 360 degrees. Always. So if you know three angles are 100, 80, and 110 degrees, you know the last one must be 70 to complete the set. No exceptions. Now, what about shapes with more sides? A pentagon, a hexagon, or even a shape with 100 sides? There's a formula for their interior angles too. But the real magic lies on the outside. Imagine walking along the perimeter of any polygon. Each time you hit a corner, you turn. By the time you get back to where you started, you've made one complete 360-degree rotation. This is true for a triangle, a square, or a shape with 1,000 sides. The sum of the exterior angles is always 360. This universal constant gives us a brilliant shortcut. If you're told a regular polygon has an exterior angle of 36 degrees, you can identify it instantly. Just calculate 360 divided by 36. The answer is 10. You're looking at a decagon, a 10-sided shape. So the next time you see a stop sign or a honeycomb cone, you're not just seeing an outline. You're seeing a collection of mathematical rules, a system of angles and symmetries working in perfect harmony.